Don't try to manufacture dharma. That is not possible. You cannot manufacture. Dharmantu bhasakshad bhagavat pranimitam. Dharma means the course given by God. That is dharma. Just like law means given by the state. You cannot manufacture law at your home. That is not possible. Nobody will care for that. Nobody will care for that. Just like on the street, you have got the law, keep to the left. So if you say, why not go to the right? You will be immediately arrested. You are criminal. Because it is law by the state. By your consideration, where is the difference between going in some countries, in England, now England is keep to the left, in America it is keep to the right. So this may be changed in different countries and different laws, but law means which is given by the state. Similarly, dharma means which is given by God. You cannot manufacture dharma. That will not be applicable. So therefore Krishna says, the Supreme Personality of Godhead says, that I descend jada jadahi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata. What is that glani? When one forgets Krishna or God and manufacture his own religion, poshu dharma, he cannot be happy. That is not possible. Just like if you make your own laws, you cannot be happy. You must obey the laws of the state. Similarly, what is the law of God? That is dharma. Dharmantu sakshad bhagavat pranit. Dharma cannot be manufactured by any man or any demigod or any saintly person, no. The dharma is given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, which he says as the last instruction in the Bhagavad Gita, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. And actually it is happening all over the world. Since we have presented this dharma to serve Krishna, it is working very wonderfully. We have got branches all over the world, and you'll find some of these samples, you'll see those who are chanting Hare Krishna mantra, these Europeans, Americans, Canadians. We have got even branch in Iran also, Mohammedans, Christians, Africa. Everyone is taking to this dharma, this Krishna consciousness movement. Therefore Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu enunciated Cetadattmanamarjanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. There is a conflagration of flame all over the world on account of godless civilization, this nonsense civilization. You have to stop it. Then you will be happy. You cannot become happy without God. That is not possible. Therefore, if you are actually interested to spread dharma, you take the principles of Bhagavad Gita, standard, Bhagavad Gita as it is. Don't try to interpret in a fashionable way. This means that, that means that. No. Krishna means Krishna. Krishna means, Krishna says, Matta parataram nanya kinchijasti dhananya. My dear Dhananya, there is no more superior authority than me. You have to accept that. Krishna says, Mame vaja prapaddante mayametan tarantite. You have to accept that. Krishna says, Manmana bhava mad bhakta madhyajimang namaskuru. You have to accept that. Then you will be able to. You will be successful. Otherwise, it is useless waste of time. Sramaeva hi kevalam. Sramaeva hi kevalam. Dharma sarasthita pumsa vishaksena kathasuja notpadayadaratingi jadi sramaeva hi kevalam. You can execute your so-called dharmas. But if it does not help you to understand what is God, then it is useless waste of time. It is useless waste of time. Srama hi keval. So, actually this Bharatvarsha is the land of dharma. Even some communist Chinese gentleman, he has written a book that is recommended in the New York University. He says that if you want to know about dharma, you must go to India and learn it. We have got so facility. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Bharat bhumite manusya janma haila ja, janma sarthak kari karo paropoka. Anyone who has taken birth as a human being in the land of Bharatvarsha, first of all, let him become perfect and distribute the knowledge all over the world. That is paropoka. So I shall request that there is great need of this Krishna consciousness movement all over the world. It is only one man's attempt. If persons like Nandaji and others, leading persons, jajjad acharati srestha, lokastad anuvartate. Nandaji is one of the srestha Vyakti of India. He was minister in the central government. Now he is out of office, but the man is the same. I was very glad when I received the literature. I thought at least one man in India is thinking that India is so much downfall. So I was very much encouraged. Otherwise I was very much discouraged that there is no human being because they have forgotten Krishna, forgotten God. Now I see there is still. So I shall request Nandaji to take the standard method as prescribed in the Bhagavad Gita. Then he will be successful. Not only Nandaji, anyone. The example is already there. I am preaching all over the world Bhagavad Gita as it is. There is no fashionable interpretation. No. As it is. And how they are being accepted. So, why not in this country? In this country, Krishna consciousness is natural, it is not artificial. From the birth of a man is Krishna conscious. Artificially he is being cut down. Forget Krishna. This nonsense dharma should be stopped. Take Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is being accepted all over the world. Why not in India? Why you present competitors of Krishna? Don't do this. Take this instruction of Bhagavad Gita that Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. You will be successful. If you manufacture something, you will never be successful. I tell you. So anyone, the standard is there, the instruction is there, everything is there. Why should we try to manufacture something new? Mahajana jena gatasya pantha dharmam tu sakshad bhagavat panitam dharmasya tattam nitam guhaya mahajana jena gatasya pantha. That is our process. Tattva pratisthana, simply by argument you cannot reach the confidential part of dharma. Sutayo vibhinna, and if you study Vedas, that is also Samyajuri, Katharva, you will be puzzled. So, Naso munijyasya matam bhinnam. He is not a philosopher or a muni who cannot give a separate theory. So these things are going on. Therefore, how to know what is the purpose of dharma? That is stated that dharmasya tattvang nihitam guhayam mahajana jena gatasya pantha. Just follow, try to mahajan. Who can be better mahajan than Krishna? Is there anybody in this world still now better than Krishna who can give good instruction, more beneficial than Krishna? No, there is none. So, take this principle, Bhagavad Gita, as it is, the instruction of Gita, instruction of Krishna, and try to follow, it will be successful not only in India, all over the world. That is my practical experience. Thank you very much.